Which city has the highest population in India? A. Delhi. B. Mumbai. C. Kolkata. D. Bengaluru. Correct answer is B. Mumbai. The next question is, what happens if you eat curry leaves regularly? A. Causes hair fall. B. Improves eyesight. C. Increases sugar level. D. Boosts immunity. Correct answer is B. Improves eyesight. The next question is, what should be eaten to reduce eye problems? A. Drumstick. B. Bitter gourd. C. Brinjal. D. Pumpkin. Correct answer is A. Drumstick. The next question is, which disease can be prevented by eating green chili? A. Diabetes. B. Cancer. C. Asthma. D. Blood pressure. Correct answer is B. Cancer. The next question is, in which country do hens lay blue eggs? A. Japan. B. India. C. Chile. D. Russia. Correct answer is C. Chile. The next question is, excess meat consumption may lead to which disease? A. Kidney stones. B. Eye infection. C. Skin allergy. D. Jaundice. Correct answer is A. Kidney stones. The next question is, to prevent blood clots, which vegetable should be eaten? A. Beetroot. B. Spinach. C. Garlic. D. Carrot. Correct answer is C. Garlic. The next question is, people with heart problems should avoid which fruit? A. Apple. B. Banana. C. Jackfruit. D. Orange. Correct answer is C. Jackfruit. The next question is, which organ forms first in fetal development? A. Brain. B. Heart. C. Eyes. D. Lungs. Correct answer is B. Heart. The next question is, which illness can be caused by excessive onion consumption? A. Joint pain. B. Cold and cough. C. Mouth ulcers. D. Gastric problems. Correct answer is D. Gastric problems. The next question is, which vegetable helps reduce diabetes? A. Bitter gourd. B. Beetroot. C. Tomato. D. Drumstick. Correct answer is A. Bitter gourd. The next question is, which vegetable helps reduce facial wrinkles? A. Potato. B. Brinjal. C. Cabbage. D. Carrot. Correct answer is D. Carrot. The next question is, people with heart problems should avoid which meat? A. Mutton. B. Chicken. C. Fish. D. Duck. Correct answer is A. Mutton. The next question is, what should be drunk to relieve stomach pain? A. Buttermilk. B. Soda. C. Coconut water. D. Milk. Correct answer is A. Buttermilk. The next question is, which fruit helps reduce mouth and throat cancer? A. Pomegranate. B. Apple. C. Papaya. D. Banana. Correct answer is A. Pomegranate. The next question is, what should be eaten to relieve constipation and body heat? A. Cucumber. B. Garlic. C. Brinjal. D. Pumpkin. Correct answer is A. Cucumber. The next question is, what helps reduce acidity problems? A. Lemon. B. Gooseberry. C. Coffee. D. Tamarind. Correct answer is B. Gooseberry. The next question is, what food helps control blood pressure? A. Salted nuts. B. Raw banana. C. Pickles. D. Chips. Correct answer is B. Raw banana. The next question is, which food supports proper blood flow to all body parts? A. Beetroot. B. Corn. C. Potato. D. Tomato. Correct answer is A. Beetroot. The next question is, in which Indian state is wetland farming widely practiced? A. Assam. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Kerala. D. West Bengal. Correct answer is D. West Bengal. The next question is, how many times does an elephant's heart beat per minute? A. 27. B. 60. C. 120. D. 80. Correct answer is A. 27. The next question is, which animal's milk is considered strength-giving for humans? A. Cow. B. Goat. C. Buffalo. D. Camel. Correct answer is D. Camel. The next question is, which animal doesn't breathe while running? A. Cheetah. B. Horse. C. Dog. D. Elephant. Correct answer is A. Cheetah. The next question is, which is the largest island in the world? A. Greenland. B. Australia. C. Borneo. D. Madagascar. Correct answer is A. Greenland. The next question is, which is the fastest land animal? A. Leopard. B. Cheetah. C. Lion. D. Gazelle. Correct answer is B. Cheetah. The next question is, which bird can fly backward? A. Crow. B. Sparrow. C. Hummingbird. D. Pigeon. Correct answer is C. Hummingbird. The next question is, which part of the plant absorbs water? A. Flower. B. Root. C. Leaf. D. Stem. Correct answer is B. Root. The next question is, who invented the telephone? A. Albert Einstein. B. Alexander Graham Bell. C. Thomas Edison. D. Isaac Newton. Correct answer is B. Alexander Graham Bell. The next question is, which bird can mimic human speech? A. Parrot. B. Eagle. C. Owl. D. Pigeon. Correct answer is A. Parrot. The next question is, which country has the most number of time zones? A. Russia. B. USA. C. China. D. France. Correct answer is D. France.